Who, what, where, when, why?
How?
Howdy doody, people. How's it going? Howdy doody. Let me howdy doody into your ears. Howdy doody. We can't keep saying it. It gets old after you say it too many times. No, Rob. We've told you about this before.
How's it
Less
going,
is
Mel?
more.
More is less.
Some more howdies?
Never learns.
Hi ho, howdy dummy.
Never learns.
So, what up?
Nothing. What up?
Episode
115.
115.
115.
115.
You
here.
can't keep saying it though, because then it loses all its power. And
Less is more.
that's not where your glasses go.
I can go wherever I want them to. They just
That
didn't
wasn't
stay
even
there.
that wasn't even your body. How are they going to be effective there?
I don't need to see you to talk to you, Rob.
Oh, you need to see.
Okay.
What if I'm trying to like give you a cue, like a visual cue?
Well, you're gonna
Some
have to
behind the
explain
scenes
it.
magic.
There's behind the scenes here.
Well, there's scenes. There's definitely some scenes.
There's some scenes here.
There's definitely some
This
fucking
is about to
scenes.
be a good scene.
When I walked in and first saw that GoPro stand, I thought we had a camera, and I was
A
like,
GoPro?
oh, we're going live tonight?
No, Steven, we wouldn't go live, especially not from there.
I was like, we're going visual?
Why wouldn't we?
We
put,
could right there. You want to go?
I mean, yeah, we'd have to put it up in the room somewhere where it sees us all, Steven. How's that placement good for going
Well,
live
it'll
at
go
all?
right where you want it, which is right your nipples, sir.
It could be a 360 cam.
Come on. I don't want it at my nipples.
Is that why you're taking your shirt
Is
off?
that why you're popping tops?
Yeah.
Well, you're the one that said it. I figured
that
you
why
want
you're
to see
releasing-
them.
Oh, okay. You're just enjoying this while you still can before we ever go to video.
No, I'll fucking show the people my nipples on video, too. Fuck them.
He'll show
They'll
them that
be
black.
so goddamn lucky to
He'll
see
show them
this.
that black diamond.
Yeah. Show 'em
Black
all of
diamond.
it. I'll show all of it. I show them it all. I'm going to get a lightning bolt tattoo. Right down the middle of my chest, all huge.
Like
and
a.
For $5, anything you want.
You should have got like a $13 tattoo today.
No, I wasn't about to do that.
Friday the 13th.
Nope.
Come
Not
on.
me.
$13 tattoo, $7 tip,
Nope.
$20 tattoo.
$20 tattoo.
Little scratchy scratch.
Yeah, right?
I mean,
It'll fade away
don't
in
know.
a year.
some of them I've seen. It's just apprentices doing little scribbly outlines, like quarter size.
Yeah, no, I'm good on
Good
that.
for filler.
I had a friend last year who got, well, last time there was that Friday the 13th, they got a 13 black cat,
See, I want to get a
like on their hand.
like a silly little UFO. I think that'd be a decent like $13 tattoo.
Some of the guys from work were going today to get the $13 tattoos, and I was telling them they should get a butt plug.
An actual butt plug or a butt plug tattoo?
A butt plug tattoo.
Like where would you get that?
On the butt cheek.
Like
Right.
on the inside?
Get a beehole tattoo?
No. You know, some people get beehole tattoos, but not, I wouldn't. No, thank you. I wouldn't want to force somebody to look at my asshole and tattoo it.
What's the I mean, that's not very sanitary.
How do you
place.
clean it? I don't
Either-
know.
Are there guys that get beehole tattoos?
I'm sure. Why wouldn't there be?
I don't know. I only know of girls getting them.
I mean, people are people, Steven.
I know. I'm not.
Like, why wouldn't it be any different?
I'm not misogynising here. I'm just saying I've never heard of a guy getting a beehole tattoo.
I haven't either, but
I'm
I
sure
definitely would think there's probably one of them out
I'm
there.
sure there's some sassy boys out there with some beehole tattoos.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe not even sassy ones,
No, actually, that might be one of those ones that like heals faster than your average place.
because it's so like secluded.
Yeah, like when you get your like
but it
mouth.
doesn't stay moist.
Maybe your asshole doesn't. Oh yeah, I always
a mouth
forget you got
tattoo.
that shit done.
Yeah,
See,
mouth tattoos.
Yeah, I had like the smiley pierced.
Yeah,
I had to take that off for MRI. I couldn't get it back in.
yeah.
That was
I've had an MRI before.
Steven, how about you? MRI? That's a no.
I don't think so.
MRE.
I've had a
Gross.
CAT scan, but I've never had an
You
MRI.
got your kitty scan?
Yeah.
I got my kidney scan with the ultrasound.
And they
The
found out
ultrasound
you
did
really
it.
weren't pregnant?
She was acting like I was pregnant. She was going, all right,
Did
now
they
breathe.
Did they find that PB&J you ate 2 hours earlier?
I can
Man,
see the
I
face.
didn't eat anything. I had to fast.
I can see the face.
Now breathe.
Gonna be a soccer
Turn
player.
to your side. And breathe. Telling you. And it was the most awkward I felt.
Was it because you were at the gynecologist?
No, it wasn't a gynecologist, asshole. Fucking dick. First you were shaming people for being remembering 9/11, and now here you are.
Nope, you're taking that out of context.
Nope.
Wasn't going to bring that up, but since you did.
Nope. You don't even need to say anymore, fam. Just leave
What?
it at where it's at.
What? I'm sick of people virtue signaling in 9/11.
Oh, here he goes.
That's all I'm going to say.
Here he goes.
I ain't got nothing else to say. I said what I had to say.
Yeah, uh-huh.
People make it about themselves now. Fuck y'all.
So did you guys spread the word around on Tuesday because of the it was the suicide awareness?
I did.
I saw your repost, yeah. Chelsea,
I didn't.
all the times you give me flack.
You know why? Because I do it all throughout the year. I don't need to do it on a goddamn day, okay?
It wasn't a national; it was worldwide.
Yeah. I don't need a day for it. Have I not been talking about it for months on end?
Well, that's why I threw
It's-
it out there.
It's like when you have a fiance and you just get her presents once a year. That's not how it works, man. You got to do
Huh?
it throughout the year. You got to make it an awareness thing throughout the year. It's not just a one-time thing, all right? You don't just post something and
So
then
wait.
you're magically done. No.
When did you have a fiance?
I didn't have a fiance. It was
What do
an
you know
analogy.
about getting presents? Giving presents.
Listen,
What kind of presents do you give a fiance? Like, how many times a year is the proper?
He's giving us his presents right now.
yeah. You're in my fucking presence
Not
right
much
now.
of a present.
I was talking about flowers. You don't just get flowers because you're apologizing or special occasions.
No.
You get them just to surprise somebody.
Like every other month? Every month? Every
it's
week?
whenever. It's spontaneous.
When you fucked that one girl that you weren't supposed to?
No, that is not when you get flowers. I just said that. You don't get flowers to apologize. Well, you can.
Well, no,
But-
you don't apologize because you.
I'd
know,
like to give Megan more flowers, but we have a cat that likes to tear them off the.
It's temporary, man. Just let the cat have them.
Well, then she ruins the flowers, and then the flowers don't last.
The flowers are going to die anyways.
Yeah, but I like them to last.
I mean, as it's the thought.
But-
You
and
get
flowers
that
aren't-
time, and
Flowers aren't cheap.
So
I have drawn a picture of flowers for a girl before.
I don't think that. Not a good look, my man.
What?
Not a good look.
She loved it. She was like hippie. They didn't want flowers to die and shit.
What the fuck? What's wrong with these people?
People are entitled to their.
Living things die.
All right, Morbid Mel.
You can't. It's not morbid.
If you were a Garbage Pail character, you'd be Morbid Mel.
No. Never have I felt more alive than when I accepted my own mortality.
I thought you were about to say Jesus Christ.
No. Like when I got in that accident, when I woke up and my head had been cracked open, and you know what?
Your
I'm
bicycle
like-
accident?
Yeah. And like I thought about any number of ways I could have been paralyzed or killed or blinded or, you know, it makes you think about those things. Life is temporary. Enjoy it for what it is. Don't overthink it. Rob. Steven. Get the flowers. Let the cat eat the flowers. Get more flowers.
Well, with the budget being a
Or
little,
be cheap.
I'm saying a little budget, a little
go-
tight right now.
Go show your beehole to some men. They'll pay you for it.
No one wants to see my beehole.
Oh, there are
That's
people
where
out
you're
there.
wrong.
Hey, listen, if there's dudes out there getting beehole tattoos, there's dudes that want to see you get a beehole tattoo.
Do you want to see my beehole?
I do not. No, sir. And I will certainly not pay you for it, but somebody will. And you know what? If you need a manager to do that,
Well, that's just somebody taking more of a cut, Steve. You want to keep it in-house.
Yeah.
All the money goes to your beehole, and that's
how am
somebody
I supposed to grow my stable if you're over here undercutting me, okay?
growing my
You
stable.
think
son.
you think I want to be one of your bottom bitches?
Listen, Steve, I don't want to have to do this to you, but I do it because I love you and I want the best for you.
Hold on. I ain't gonna let you pimp Steve out now. That's good ass right there. You ain't gonna take it just like that.
I mean, if anybody's pimping Steve out, it's Megan, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
So, if anything, I'm moving in on her territory. I'm sorry.
And that is one slap I ain't gonna take. So all you, buddy.
Yeah, no, I'm done. I realized the error in my ways. I saw my folly there. Steven, I'm not going to try to pimp you out, but it's something you could think about.
Yeah, you might want to,
So we're talking about this because Steven here got laid off today, right?
I did. I got let go.
Let go, not laid off.
That was his terms.
Let go.
We're gonna let you go today.
We're going to let you go there, buddy. I know it's your 90th day or 89th, but...
He called me buddy, too.
Oh, yeah, that's how you got to do it.
I'm fucking older than you, and you're calling me a buddy?
Oh, he was younger than you?
Yeah. No, he's not my manager. He wasn't my manager. He was the supervisor.
They let a supervisor do this?
Yeah.
Sounds like you're better
So do you
off.
think those fellas will still listen, though?
Fuck if I fucking care.
Damn. What was their reasoning, Steven?
I wasn't working to their
Standards?
Their fast-paced standards.
Do you agree with that?
I try to work as fast as I can. I know that there's no try, there's only do, but
Because I remember a couple weeks ago you telling me about how you were watching a video there. Do you think that was slowing you down?
no.
Okay. I'm just saying. Because I got this, like...
Half the time, and if I was ever watching videos while I was working, I wasn't watching the videos. It was mostly like white noise in the background. Like
I
if I was
understand
listening-
that.
Okay.
'Cause I do that sometimes.
Like if I was just listening to music at the same time.
Noise is good.
I understand that. I totally understand that. All right.
Oh, more noise. So
Don't even talk about noise, though.
So professional.
Don't talk about the noise.
So how's your week, Chelsea?
My week?
Yeah, Mr. Employed. Fuck ass.
I feel targeted here.
I got stuff on the horizon. I went straight to my workforce and they're like, "Hey, find me a new job, please."
Yeah. And fuck you. You got stuff on the motherfucking horizon, too.
Yeah, but,
Shit basket.
Sorry?
This guy over here. My week was pretty good. I went to work. I made money this week.
All days.
No.
You take a day off?
Yep, Sunday.
Oh.
My back was hurting. It was locking up. I woke up and it was locking up like this. So I used my sick day.
Did you get some new comics this week?
I did. I did get some new comics. I got my Saga.
You got a fucking...
Compendium.
Fucking
Yeah.
Compendium
Bible
one.
of a saga.
That thing is
Steven,
huge.
have you held this yet?
I've held a compendium, yes.
No, go ahead. Feel this.
Because I have two of those.
Brace your back. Brace your back.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
That's like the Catholic Bible.
Yeah, that's a pretty
Large
hefty
print.
book there. I've been reading that. It's been good. Saga. I recommend it.
Have you bent the spine yet? Doesn't look... Well, I mean, like, where's the bookmarker at? Okay.
Almost halfway.
Yeah. You're close to bending the spine.
That's more like a third.
Almost halfway.
Listen, I've been taking some tests this week, right? And I've had to, say, which is bigger, which is smaller, a third or a fourth, or all this dumb shit.
But you've been getting that wrong your whole life.
Right, which made me very nervous this week. Very, very nervous.
Why were you taking tests?
Looking for employment.
Oh.
I've been taking all
I
kinds of
found
tests.
out my workforce goes through your company.
Yeah.
So I saw CompuLink on the board.
You saw it there, huh?
Yeah, it wasn't any jobs. I mean, the one was started like a $9, and then one was like a $17. But they're both they're both clerk jobs. So
You could be a clerk.
Yeah, one was a file clerk, which I think was the higher paying job.
Oh, I don't know about file
But
clerk.
You
but
good
they
with
said,
numbers?
but she said whenever they next time they have an open if they have a class for new hires, so you can go in and take a class just to see if they want to hire or not.
Yeah,
she'll let me know.
The tests.
Yeah, the tests.
The tests.
the testes.
They're tricky.
They are.
Shit. I went into one of my people. What are they called?
Temp agency.
Yeah, that. And they were like, point to 16th on this ruler. And me being the cocky bastard that I am is the first one right there. This is a special ruler. It's not there. It should be a little over. I'm like, well, what the fuck? Why are you using some weird dumb ruler?
Yeah, why are you using a weird ruler?
Yeah.
Use that metric ruler.
But yeah, she's like, this is... Anyway.
Yeah, listen, I don't know about that stuff. Not me. You got the wrong person. Yeah, I got some new comics, though.
What else did you get besides that Bible of a book?
Besides the Bible of a book, I got X-Men, the new House of 10.
You got Coffin Bound.
I got
Did you
Coffin
read
Bound
any of
today.
that yet?
Yeah, I read both of them.
What did you think? I've only read the first issue, but
It's good.
yeah,
I digs it. I can see it.
I like that
Getting into it.
birdcage guy,
Yeah,
Vulture, whatever the hell.
the Vulture. Yep, he's pretty cool. What else did I get? I don't think I got anything else. Just Coffin Bound. They had Little Bird 5, so I was able to finish the story.
Good.
I was happy about that. The art in that is so cool. And the story was pretty cool, too. I dug it.
That was the final chapter?
Yep.
Good
Well,
ending.
they're going to have another story in the universe, but it's not the same. Like, it's not the continuation, you know? Or it may be, like, further on down the line. They just kind of teased it. But it's not going to be called Little Bird. It's going to be called Precious Metal.
Well, that's nothing to do with
But
the bird at
Little
all.
Bird had a good ending.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the most part, it's pretty good. I need to go back and reread it. It's kind of like Nameless.
Okay, Nameless. I read that this week. It was good, very good.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Definitely had to go to Reddit afterwards to like explain a little bit. It
And those are just people's theories.
Nameless. Probably should have been 3 or 4 more issues, flesh things out just a little bit more, but definitely worth a read.
Yeah, just the
art alone, yeah.
Yeah.
Like if you like psychedelic looking.
Yeah,
Weird
that
shit.
definitely has some psychedelic fucking art in it. I dug it though. You read the second volume of Gideon Falls.
I am fiending.
For Gideon Falls,
Oh
it's
my
so
God,
good.
so good.
And it's going to be a TV show. It's already been picked up.
It feels.
There's
I
only,
mean,
2.
The third one is going to be coming out next month, I believe, because the last issues of this, because it's like every 5 they release a trade paperback, and the last few of this 5 are about to be released.
have you noticed what Image does too? They make the issue 1 of the trade paperback $10, and then everything after that's like 15 to 20,
Oh yeah,
just to get you in, just to get the hooks in you. Like, "Huh."
get the hooks in you. I digs Image. I fucks with them.
But everybody shat on them. Still shit on them.
No, they're my favorite right now.
Always.
I
has
need to
been.
get some DC. I feel like I'm not giving DC a fair shot.
Daredevil.
I'm gonna look into.
It's Marvel. That's Marvel. Never mind.
Yeah, I'm gonna look into.
Batman's all right now.
Look into some of that. I think I might check out that Superman.
The Frank Miller's Dark Knight series is really good.
To look into that.
I have all 3 series.
The Death of Superman wasn't that bad.
That's old, the '90s one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had that when I was a kid.
And then the whole what was that? When Bane broke Batman's back and he came back as like Azrael and all that shit.
Yeah.
That weird suit.
I got a bunch of Batman trade backs if you want to check them out.
Word.
Like I got Long Halloween.
They had Killing Joke, the like deluxe edition there today.
Of course they did.
I got Hush.
That's good.
That's a good one. The movie did no justice to the comic.
I've heard that. I haven't watched it.
See,
They
I don't know.
changed so
Batman,
much of it.
Batman's good. It's just I don't know. Batman's so overplayed for me. There's some really good Batman stories though.
So I heard in 2021 they're gonna make a black Batman.
I read today that they were thinking about making Magneto and Professor X people of color.
But it won't be Bruce Wayne. It won't be like a retelling. It won't be Bruce Wayne.
It'll be like Miles Morales with Spider-Man.
Sorta, yeah. It'll be like either Lucius Fox's son or someone in the Bat universe.
I'm cool with it.
Takes over the cape and cowl.
I'm cool with all that because they're fucking comics. They can exist in different universes. They can tell different. It's all about the medium telling the story.
If
You
it's
know?
good, I'm gonna read it.
And if it's good, and I'm all for people being able to identify with a character in a book.
But Miller's going to bring out a new Dark Knight series, but more focusing on Batgirl.
Batgirl, all right.
I want some. Have you? Oh, you're not really up on the Batman right now. There's like Gotham Girl. She's a badass.
I didn't know. Yeah. I'm gonna look into some DC. I'm gonna pick one and start getting some DC.
I'm gonna pick
Did you see the new trailer for Birds of Prey? The teaser trailer?
No.
Looks pretty good.
What is that?
Focusing on Joker.
Okay.
But it's more on Harley Quinn.
Yeah. No, I'm focusing on Joker.
But they have Ewan McGregor playing Black Mask.
That new Joker movie looks.
Phenomenal. It's been getting great reviews too.
I want to seize it.
Yeah, it got a standing ovation when it was at the Venice, whatever.
But
Venice? Sundance?
No, it was Venice.
You're Venice.
It was like the Venice Film Festival. They got like an 8-minute standing ovation after they showed the movie.
8 minutes?
That's pretty long.
That's a long ass time.
8 minutes is just clapping. I'm gonna go see it. I didn't go see it, and I've heard that's not a bad thing.
I heard I convinced Megan to watch the first movie, so we're gonna go see it soon. The second chapter.
Yeah, I heard it's a wait for it to come out to DVD.
Oh, it?
Yeah.
It's too fucking long. Anyway, I'm also balls deep in the Black Monday murders.
Yes.
That's a little weird. I don't know if the whole Wall Street thing is.
It's what rules.
Yeah.
It's power.
That's a funny show.
Yeah.
What?
Black Monday.
There's a show?
Oh, they said Black Monday there, right?
Black Monday Murders is a comic book.
Oh, sorry. I was thinking of that 80s Wall Street show I talked about a few weeks ago. Black Monday. It was on Showtime like last year. I talked about it a few weeks ago on the cast.
Steven, I don't remember what I wore yesterday.
Oh, wait. Yeah, I vaguely remember.
Nope, drawing a blank still.
So last Sunday I bought Resident Evil Biohazard for $10, and I just beat it yesterday.
Is that the newest one?
Yeah.
Damn, in like a week?
Yeah.
Damn.
That good?
It's
Wait,
good.
that's the one where it's like the Hicks and shit, right?
Yeah.
That's the one you bought the special
Special
edition
edition.
for and never played.
Flipped it.
Like a year later.
Yeah, I got like double for it too.
It's the one that's all first-person view, so it goes really well if you have like a PSVR.
Spoopy.
Yeah, I heard it was good.
I like
The
it.
just people couldn't get over the first person thing. I being one of them, I like my Resident Evil in third person.
You're a weirdo. You're a fucking weirdo.
No, I don't like first person that much unless it's like Call of Duty. If it's gonna be
Call
like,
of Duty's correct.
well, I don't play that anymore either. But you know,
Duty.
that's the kind
Since
of
all they're
game.
doing is remastering their games.
Right. That's the kind of game I like in first person.
Yeah,
I don't
I
like,
feel you.
I want to be able to like, especially if there's like this like developed character that like has like this long backstory. I want to be able to see him.
Rage 2's on sale, and I was like, oh, I kind of want that, but I'm not going to get it.
On Steam or
Steam.
Yeah.
I'd rather spend the money on comic books right now.
I'd rather spend the money on comic books right now. Yeah, I feel you. I thought you were gonna do some pretentious Steam shit.
Huh?
Nothing. Thought you were about to be some pretentious Steam
No.
something or other.
No. I'm not going to buy Borderlands 3, which just came out, until it's on Steam, but that's me. You do you.
I'm not gonna buy Borderlands 3. Period.
Okay, there
Not-
we go.
Yeah, my kind of game. I like Diablo style games, but I don't like. I think they need to be more like medievally, like Diablo and all them, not like shooters.
Do you like Torchlight?
It's alright.
because it just came out again.
I know. The roommate's got the
Switch version.
yeah.
Yep, on the old mod.
Mm-hmm.
He has everything.
Yeah, basically.
But when you have everything, you don't play anything.
you don't play nothing.
Yeah.
Not a damn thing, but you have it there for people that need it.
To show it off is what it is.
Should make money. Allegedly.
Alleged.
Well.
Yeah?
Okay. Let's gather around, children. I'll make it quick. Back when I first hooked up with Homie, and we were doing the Wii mods, like fully decked out with a 120 gig hard drive, where you could like put a game in the system and it'll copy it to the hard drive, take the game out, never have to use it again, play it from the hard drive. We were selling those between $300 and $500 a piece.
Jesus.
And we had like this like connect down in Sarasota that was buying 5 or 6 of them at a time to sell out of their barber shop.
Damn.
So yeah, a couple months in a row there, we were banking. That was the heyday of mods. The end.
Damn.
So there's money to be had.
No, I realize
I
that.
mean, as long as you have
Like
a good skill, because a lot of the shit out there just crashes if you don't do it right. And there's a lot of sloppy shit I've seen going around this town. This town especially.
This town
I tell you, this town
is the
worst ever. I actually had a guy hit me up last week because I guess my number's back out there in the Craigslist land for selling shit. Is this Rob that used to mod stuff? I'm like, only if you're talking like 6 years ago, bro. I haven't modded anything in years. He's like, oh, okay. But like, he kind of described me, and it was weird.
He knew you, bud.
I hope the fuck not.
He knew you. He was on to you.
I'm not about that life no more.
Would you screw him over?
No, I never. I'm pretty sure I never screwed over anybody too hard.
Uh-huh. The dude was hunting you. You got an Earth Eater after you, bud.
Surviving the game over here. You
What are you reading, Rob?
you a ninja over there?
Yeah, what are you reading?
Well, I read Nameless and Gideon Falls Volume 2.
2?
And
What'd you think of that newest House of 10?
Oh, I haven't got it yet.
Oh, so I can't talk about it with you.
You can talk about it. I just can't, I don't have any input.
No spoilers.
What do you mean? You're not even going to read it.
I'm saying, for Rob's sake, no spoilers.
I'm hoping to pick it up this weekend. You can spoil. I don't care.
Well, you got a job next week,
Yeah.
so maybe you can pick it up.
I'm planning on picking it up probably this weekend. Waiting for something to sell, man. It's been like I have had bulk sale after bulk sale this week on all kinds of like eBay, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp. Nobody bought dick. Everybody wanted to buy dick, allegedly, but nobody bought dick. Oh, I'll get it tomorrow. Oh, I'll hit you up. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm on my way over.
Like, put that money in my hand.
Oh me. Oh. And I made it so fucking easy. Like,
I saw your posts.
I'm so tired of dealing with people. I almost got some dude try to scam me.
I saw.
They tried to like hit me with the whole like, let me take over your Google account shit. And I fucked with them a little bit. That happened twice. Same day. Back to back. That was fun.
Probably same person.
Yeah, I would imagine. Anyway.
Yeah.
That was my distressed life this week.
I just didn't get much sleep this week.
I got shit sleep this week until yesterday. For whatever reason. I slept like probably 12 hours. And it was
Not
great.
me. Man, I don't even remember the last time I slept 12 hours in a row.
You're still up from yesterday.
Yes.
Is that why you have your shirt tied on your head like that?
Like a little
I was
babushka.
just
Like
tradition.
a little babushka.
Yeah, does it look good?
You do look like a little Russian grandmother.
You can be a little matchmaker.
Matchmaker, matchmaker, make me a match. Yes.
Or a terrorist.
No. No, I could never be a terrorist. No.
No, he's terrorist. Terrorista.
Oh man, but yeah, no, I haven't been. I've been awake since yesterday. About, like I
Almost 24 hours.
almost because I slept a little bit. I slept for like 2 hours from like 6 to 8:30 yesterday, and I had gotten like 5 hours of sleep earlier in the day. I don't sleep anymore, man. I'm gonna die of it. This is gonna kill me.
It's not good for you, bro.
Hey,
Black out your windows.
it's not the windows.
It's his want. He doesn't take his ass to bed. He's like, what about this comic book? What about this video game? I think it's self-control. I think they call that.
Yeah.
You need to be regulated, son.
No, I just don't sleep, son. Fuck off.
Keeps getting those rabbit holes on YouTube.
Yeah. Rabbit holes on YouTube. That happens. That happens frequently. The other day I was watching the history of the Japanese Empire.
Sorry?
Yep. They had a 3-hour documentary on it.
Did you watch any videos on Daniel Johnston?
I did. I didn't watch the videos on him. I went and watched some videos of his. I watched like the NPR Tiny Desk. Yeah. I read about him. I cried a little bit. It's
I used to have The Devil in Me, the documentary about him.
The Devil and Daniel Johnson.
Yeah.
It's on Netflix, I think. So you can watch it on there.
Yeah, I've seen it once.
Once.
Okay, so for the longest time, I thought Daniel Johnson was the guy from Silverchair, because I never saw a picture of him. But the guy from Silverchair is actually Daniel Johns.
Oh.
Yeah, just look that one up.
Now, see, now you know.
Yeah.
If you don't know, now you know.
But like,
And no one's half the battle.
literally, till like maybe a year or two ago, I thought it was
Damn.
Silverchair guy. Yeah. And I was like, I don't understand why people think this guy from Silverchair is so great.
Time to wake up.
Well, at least you're ahead of the game there.
Yep. And I have to work tomorrow, so I gotta go to bed after this. Just gotta be at work at 6:30 in about 12 hours.
Then you got a concert tomorrow.
Concert tomorrow night.
Damn, kid.
Burning the candle at both ends.
You getting in the pit?
No, fuck no. I'm too old to get in the pit. I learned my lesson already.
Who are you going with?
You say that every
Sarah.
time, though.
Yeah, because I'm young at heart. So I say these things, and then I get there in
Hold
the
my
moment,
glasses.
and I just go with it.
And then you
That's
can't
right.
breathe afterward, and your
Yeah.
chest hurts.
Well, that's because I'm fucking out of shape.
Did you tell someone, like, hold my glasses?
It's too hot, though, to be doing that dumb
Yeah,
shit.
no, I definitely feel my age. That's when I feel my age the most. And I can't say my age. I feel my unhealthiness the most. Because it's just being out of shape. It doesn't fucking matter about age.
I mean, your girl Sarah, she ain't no let's stand in the backer either.
No.
Where's the show at?
Orpheum.
Yeah.
Oh.
Propaganda.
Yeah, I know. I just wasn't sure. where it
Propaganda.
They're headlining, too.
Yeah.
Never got into them. They're
Huh?
good. They're good. I just never got into them.
was.
I don't. It's not like I know all their shit, but
I haven't seen them in years.
She offered me a free ticket. I'm gonna take
I
it.
hear you there.
I'll get out of the house. Go do something. I need to.
I got out of the house this week a little bit.
How are you ever gonna see the light if you don't leave the house?
I walked around the park like
You did. You walked
3
around the park.
times, 3 days.
We were trying to get you to play some disc golf or some like field hockey, but you were all like, "Nope."
I didn't say nope.
You pretty much said nope.
No, I didn't. I said,
I read between the lines,
all right, you might have did that.
and there was
I
There was
mean,
a
I'll
nope.
play some disc golf, maybe.
maybe
I mean, can I borrow some discs?
we'd have to go get some fucking discs, man.
Nobody's got discs?
No,
Bro.
unless Hockey Dad does, but I don't think he does either. So we'd have to go get some. We could get a.
Where do you guys go?
I don't go anywhere.
Well, where
I don't even have discs.
I mean, where would you go? Like,
I would look up wherever's closest.
can
I
tell
know.
you.
I know they got the one at
Taylor Park's got disc golf.
Taylor Park. That's a good one. I played there before.
Azalea's got one.
Azalea. That one's kind of crappy.
They got one?
Yeah, it's
a beginner's
small
beginner's
one.
place.
I used to go to that dog park.
I used to go hang out there. We played the baseball there for a little bit.
What position?
Huh?
What position are you?
I didn't play a position. It was just going and hitting the ball around. with the old AAN crew.
Huh.
Yeah,
That sounds exhilarating.
it was fun
Sounds
playing
like it could be
catch,
some drama.
trying to hit the balls.
I'm sure a lot of them were.
No, the coin guys.
Oh, those guys.
Yeah.
Some of them look a little fragile.
Plead the fifth.
All right, moving on. Anything else happened this week? Anyone?
My mom got this like mass removed from her shoulder.
I hope it was benign.
Yeah, I think it was.
You think, or you know?
I don't know for sure.
I mean, were they
I'm pretty sure she said it was.
biopsying it?
No,
Was this a major thing?
Removed. They just took a chunk. They got part of her clavicle, part of her rib.
Clavicle or lateral collateral?
No, bro, that's lower. Yeah, that's
Please
like here.
point to the lateral collateral.
Yeah, that's like over here. Your rib and clavicle are up here, brah.
Your ribs way up there,
Your ribs start there.
or do they end there?
I think the ending of your ribs is down here.
Or is that the beginning?
No. Steven, which way?
I'm not a fucking doctor.
He's got you there. He's not a fucking doctor.
No, you're right. He's not.
But like, because they're smaller at the bottom, right?
Yeah. That's why they're the ending.
All right, I'll go with that.
Okay, good. That's all I had. I didn't.
Now that we're on the same page. So wait, where did they start to? Okay, when
She has this gnarly scar. I don't know exactly how they did it. It was like a 4-hour surgery.
damn staples, stitches,
Stitches.
sutures.
No,
Inside,
it was
outside?
inside sutures and then glue on the outside.
Woo. I mean, glue. That means it was a pretty straight and easy cut. That's
Yeah.
good. But,
Yeah.
I hope your mom's alright. Oh man,
She's doing okay. She's recovering.
Mama Chelsea good.
So she was in Tampa General, so I had to drive over there this week.
Yeah,
so
why
I
Tampa?
It's just where they had the surgeon was. So I filled the car up. I filled the tank all the way up. $17.
Here we go, Steven.
It estimated me getting like 340 miles from that.
I plugged my
I didn't actually go all the way with it because the second, like, I drove over on gas and back on gas the first day, and then I realized that
I'm an electric boy.
well, there was an electric parking at Tampa General on the second floor, so I
Oh.
parked there.
There wasn't, or there was?
No, there is.
That's
There
what I
is.
thought there was.
The second day, I almost got so mad. If I had a piece of paper, this person would have had a nasty note on their window. They were totally icing the parking spot.
Icing?
Fucking bastards.
Is that like one of your electrical guy terms?
Yeah, when they park an electrical parking spot with a gas-powered car.
Oh, no shit.
Yep.
What an asshole.
Mm-hmm.
Probably a doctor.
Were you going to say something about his carbon footprint?
No, I was going to say nice electric car, asshole. Yeah, totally. It was like
That's
a
just
big
like
old
you guys.
SUV.
How many miles you get in a charge?
Was it like a Hummer taking up both the spots? Oh, that would
No.
be great.
Luckily, one spot was still open, but the second spot was taken by this fucking asshole.
Maybe they were in a hurry. Maybe
I don't
they
know
had
if
to
I could have
poop.
slashed their tires. I would have.
Whoa. That's alleged. And illegal.
Well, yeah, I know. That's why I didn't fucking do it. But they should fucking pay some kind of consequence. Or learn that not to park there. There's all kinds of other spots open. And you have to park in the one. Like, what if somebody drove there to see their relative? All they had is an electric car. They almost drain all the battery getting there. And they just want to charge it. But they can't because your fucking asshole gas-powered car parked there.
Steven, does this speak to his liberal viewpoint?
No, it's
Didn't
just
think so.
it's just common courtesy.
I get it.
The kid's got road rage. You need a class, Mel.
I don't have fucking
You
road
got
rage.
You have rage.
I do have rage sometimes when I'm driving, but I think we all do. Because there's some fucking idiots out there driving.
They were out in full force today. Good Lord.
I curse too much on this podcast, don't I?
Driving from fucking Inspecs to the workforce, I was
Fucking-
already fuming as it was, and then I was in the lane just
Because he
like-
called you buddy?
Oh, just because I got let go in the middle of the day, like they didn't.
Why'd you have me come in?
Yeah.
You
Why
could
not
have
just call
called
me? Yeah.
Yeah, they have my number, but either way, like I mean, I got the full day's pay, so that was the only upside. So I still got my 40 hours this week, so I won't get like gypped on like a short paycheck or something like that.
The upside on the downside.
Yeah, that's the only upside on the downside. But no, it was just like the whole like the left lane or right lane was like just like truck after truck with like hauling trailers, and like they were just going like 2 miles, like 2 miles per hour.
Oh,
I wanted to get to the workforce as fast as I could, but I didn't want to like speed past them and then miss my exit.
Yeah, I fucking hate that. I was in like a 45 or a 50, and somebody was doing 30. I was going down to Ulmerton. And
They do that.
And there was some old lady like going 30, trying to look at every business, seeing where she needed to go,
It's difficult.
and it's fucking dangerous. Pull your ass over, look at a fucking almanac or whatever.
Unfold the map.
Yeah,
Open the
Get your
atlas.
A4 coordinates.
yeah, exactly.
I'm so glad we don't have to live like that anymore.
I know. You remember that though?
Oh yeah, when I was an exterminator, I had to use maps like that.
I'm
It was-
glad. I'm glad I
rough.
had cell phones finally
It
when
was
I started
so
driving.
rough. Or like MapQuest was just around.
Oh yes,
Oh.
having to print out directions.
Yeah, or
Ugh.
even like, I was probably one of the first people that was using MapQuest like just on your phone as like a step by step. Even that was rough.
Yeah,
There's like nothing. You're like, okay, 6 miles and then make a right on the.
yeah.
blah,
I
blah, blah.
remember when Google actually came out, and I was like, "Holy shit, thank you."
GPS is such a. Wow, we've seen so many technological advancements in just our little
Mhm.
lifetimes
Yep,
that we don't have any appreciation for.
it's magic.
You know.
Magic. You know.
So you bitches want to talk some wrestling?
Some wrestling?
I ain't got any news this week, Mel. Unfortunately.
I didn't watch.
I didn't mean to shit on your parade last week.
Well, I mean,
I'm sorry.
nothing happens.
I didn't watch Raw SmackDown again.
There is some news.
You didn't watch Stone Cold Steve Austin on Raw?
No.
No, I watched
was-
that, and
I
it was
too
just
busy
so
playing Resident
underwhelming.
Evil.
So trying to spike them. You thought it was underwhelming?
Yeah,
I thought it was pretty decent. Raw. Like it was a very watchable episode.
I was watching. I was playing Resident Evil, so I didn't watch anything.
I mean, it was
I'm
but
not necessarily equating that to okay, but
it was
they were
it was
trying to
underwhelming for sure.
trying to pull in. Well, yeah, there needed to be a little more Stone Cold.
I-
Even though I'm not one to like let's go back on the old morals.
No, and I don't think there even need to be. There were some good matches. There definitely were. Like that triple threat was a good match. The fuck, I can't even
The
remember.
5-on-5? At the
That
end
see,
there?
no, that was a boring ass.
You thought that was boring?
Yeah, I didn't really.
The King of the what's up with the King of the Ring?
I don't
They
know.
totally shit the bed on this shit.
Yeah, they shit the bed completely.
The 4 horsewomen had.
Oh yeah, that tag team match.
It was a good tag team match,
Yeah,
but it
see?
was so many botches. So many botches, Charlotte.
But that should have been the main event over the
I
five.
agree.
Five
That was
man.
like the first or second match too.
Yeah,
They like
get it out of the way. So next week's the first live NXT,
yes.
or first half of it's live.
Huh?
Or no, it's going to be all live, but the first half is going to be on USA, and the second half is going to be on the network
Ew, that's how they're doing that.
for the first couple weeks. I think it's
Gross.
probably because USA
They
has
got
something.
a dog show or something.
Yeah, they got it like that second hour
Remember,
filled.
Raw would always get like interrupted by dog shows or
Yeah.
tennis or.
And you go to
golf.
turn it on, and you're like, "What the fuck?
Fuck is this shit?
This isn't my wrestling."
Then you watch Nitro.
And then you end up watching the dog show, and you're like, "That's a good looking bitch.
Look at that bitch right there.
Look at that bitch."
Oh, that bitch sit. Look at this bitch.
Yeah,
Fry boy.
that's the best part about dog shows, man. All the bitches.
You ever go?
No, but I've wanted to. You ever see that Vice thing where that guy takes the acid and goes to the dog show?
No. But that movie, that one movie.
Best in Show?
Yeah, that's fucking
That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Same with his other movie, like A Mighty Wind.
Waiting for Guffman.
Yeah.
I've never seen that.
Oh. Man.
Undertaker showed up on SmackDown. Yeah,
And Sami Zayn came out, and that SmackDown was really underwhelming.
yeah.
Like, I watched some of that, and I'm like, what the fuck? The whole Shane McMahon.
Inserting himself into the King of the Ring.
Yeah. Like, I understand it. You need to scramble for the end, and, like, he kind of already has that storyline where it's, I'm gonna put myself in the middle of this stuff and try to. So I understand it, but it just seems so lazy.
And they fired Kevin Owens.
Which he's gonna show up on NXT, right?
I guess.
He's gonna be on NXT Wednesday. Hey, I'll tell you what, man. I'll be watching AEW on Wednesday nights and watching the watching the taping of NXT.
Faux show. But I think that's everybody's plan.
Yeah. So I mean, my DVR will be taping both at the same time.
Cloud DVR. Do people still have actual DVRs? Like,
no, I don't think
my
so.
brother, he used to have a TiVo.
I don't think so.
I almost guarantee he still has it.
TiVo.
Clash O Champions. Yeah, remember TiVo?
Yep.
It was like the first cable box before cable box.
Mm-hmm. I remember him. Do you, are you going to watch it?
Passively.
When is it?
Sunday.
This Sunday?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Exactly.
I haven't watched wrestling in like 2 weeks.
Exactly.
Steven.
There's some interesting things happening.
Remember when we were a wrestling podcast?
Once upon a time.
Yeah, now we've been talking more about comics, I think.
Yeah. But
and duck dicks and gorilla strength.
Mel kind of thought that might have been the reason.
Yeah, I was all like, "Oh shit!" They heard us talk about duck dicks, and that got Steve fired.
Duck dick gorillas, and
Give
there
a fuck.
Steve went.
They don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck.
No
I
ducks
don't give
given.
a fuck about them either, Steven. I'm gonna go on their Google and leave horrible reviews with duck dicks.
Here's one for you.
Wacka wacka.
Here's my review of this duck dick photo.
It looks terrifying.
I never actually looked up a picture of a duck dick. I
All
mean,
right.
Just
Let's do it.
Just Photoshop a duck dick on a gorilla.
Duck
Dick.
penis.
Oh, you can't just say duck dick?
Maybe. Images. Whoa!
Duck. Oh.
Wow.
I'm not putting that on my search engine. I'm sorry, guys.
I'll just send you a picture
Whoa.
in the text. Oh, they got a corkscrew, huh?
It's like a little piggy. That thing looks
Oh yeah, I knew.
Wow.
About that.
Whoa! Damn, that thing is long for what that
9
bird is.
inches?
Holy shit. How do they sex that up, though?
Where's it go?
Yeah.
Oh, here's where it goes. Okay, I got a picture where it goes. Hold up. Their testicles are like in their back?
Holy crap.
Wow, this is educational.
It doesn't change anything. I still would have a duck dick.
All right, I got one for you.
What?
I think this is a groundhog. Is that a groundhog?
Oh, yeah, I'd have that dick. Oh, yeah. Like, if I were picking
looks like a
animal
mole.
dicks,
It looks like it. That is it a mole?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it
think
does look like a.
Yeah, I think it's a mole.
whatever
It's
it is,
a quadro.
that's an impressive penis.
quadrodong. Wow. Thank you, internet.
All right. Let's get off the animal dicks. I think that was last week's episode.
You're
We've
the one
moved
that's on the animal dick.
Yeah, I know, and I'm getting off of them. I'm not getting off to them, but getting off of them. Hey, close it. Quit
No,
looking at
look
those.
at it. It's that quadro dick.
No.
So anyway, Clash of Champions.
Yeah. There's probably going to be
There-
some duck dicks going on.
There's definitely gonna be some duck dicking going on in Clash of Champions.
Is that what we're
Eddie
crowning
think?
King of the Ring?
No, I'm not hyped about
No. Originally, yes, but now we've moved that to,
To
Raw,
Raw,
for whatever
yeah.
fucking reason.
The Monday after.
the Monday after,
it's-
yeah.
It's been a disaster.
Yeah, it's
This
horrible.
whole tournament's just
Do you think it's gonna go to Baron?
Corbin.
He's calling Corbin. I'm saying
Corbin.
Shorty G.
Shorty G, I mean, if you could give me a feasible, like, what do you do with him after he wins it that I could get with, then yeah, okay. But I just can't think of anything for him to do.
They probably can't either, but it doesn't stop them.
We need Jason Jordan back, bro. American Alpha.
I think you could have him go after, like, the Intercontinental against
What, like-
Nakamura.
Did,
Yeah, maybe.
Enjo show his face on Monday since he apparently posted
No, let's not
photos?
talk about. Don't mention that name.
Saying
Don't give him any.
He posted
No,
photos
no,
of
no,
him
no,
purchasing
no,
tickets
no,
for Madison
no.
Square on Monday.
And then he posted a video of him and his daughter at home.
Wait, he has a daughter. How you doing?
How you doing? You know, you can't be how you doing and how you doing, and then not, accidentally have a how you doing.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Big Kaz XL. He looks all right though. He's in shape.
Yeah, I think after all those fat comments, he hit the gym.
That shit'll get to you, man. When he was an alcoholic.
Oh yeah, I know it does.
Does it, Mel?
Big mass. Check this out.
Yeah, I've cultivated some mass. Take a look.
You look like you're about to do a caterpillar.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I'm looking at you. What's up?
I'm just looking at the matches for
No,
Clash of Champions here.
does anything stick out? Sasha versus Becky.
Yeah.
Uh,
Bailey versus Charlotte. Okay, here it is. AJ Styles versus Cedric Alexander.
Yeah.
That match on Raw was pretty good.
Is Kofi refighting Orton again?
Yep.
I don't get this whole Seth Rollins and Braun Strowman versus Dolph Ziggler and Robert Roode.
Rude, and it's just to set up more tension for later in the night.
Does the Fiend come out during the main?
Yeah, of course.
What's the main?
Strowman versus Seth for the title.
For the Universal.
But they're also fighting earlier for the tag, or
Yeah.
with the tag.
Yeah, because they're tag team champions.
I know that.
The two of them.
I think that's the last time I saw Raw was when they
Together.
won the belts.
This is okay. Here we go. New Day versus the Revival. I'll
Yeah.
watch that.
Yeah, I can get behind that one.
Is that in the dark match?
No,
They'll probably make it the dark match.
the pre-show looks like it's going to be the Cruiserweight Championship. Drew Gulak versus Humberto Carrillo, and Lindsay Dorado. That should be decent.
Is it a rumor true that they're canceling 205 Live?
There's talks.
Moving into NXT, which makes sense. I mean, the only thing
Come on.
the only thing that made that show relevant was Enzo having the title.
No, that was pretty good. It's just that it's just on the network. How are you going to get viewers?
Can't even get people to stay.
Yeah. You can't even, they won't stay all the way.
I stayed when I went to that.
Yeah, but you're a fan.
You knew it was happening. Fuck, they had the Fiend on it this week, taking out the B team, and nobody fucking stayed.
Nobody stayed.
They even promoted that the Fiend was going to show up. And they were like, let's go home.
It's a school night.
Honestly, though, if you stay for 205 Live, that's the way you beat the traffic.
Yeah, because everybody will be gone.
Exactly. Pro tip.
Pro tip,
Yeah,
just
'cause
wait it
after-
out. You paid for the ticket.
Because I think after
Get your money's worth.
After they record 205, is they have the dark match.
Yeah.
I think
That's
I
a
think
late
that's how it works.
fucking night.
Yeah.
Listen, you paid for the seat, but all you needed is the edge.
You're getting out at 11 o'clock on a Tuesday.
You see MLW's having something in Orlando soon?
Now you want to go?
Kinda.
I'll drive.
All right. It's like a 5-hour taping. I think it's a pay-per-view.
Let's go. Steven?
Live TV taping?
Yeah. I can go. I'm allowed to. All right.
So
I'm starting to fall asleep here.
Did anyone hear any news from Kaiju this past Sunday?
No.
Nope.
Oh, okay.
I saw some pictures, but that's about it.
Kaiju is available now on the WNL network.
It's been...
$9.99 a month. I've canceled my Progress subscription, by the way.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, good thing I didn't
Sad
go to watch
day.
it.
Sad day.
Although that match is coming up, David Starr versus Walter.
Yeah, but it'll nefarious means. Nefarious means.
They even talk about it at the beginning of that.
That doesn't mean anything. They used to put it on VHS tapes. Hey, you wouldn't steal a car, would you? Why would you steal this? Guess who did?
You don't give a shit.
Metallica told me not to steal their discography.
You don't have empathy.
Back on that.
Yeah, think about these people. They're putting all their hard work into it.
Oh,
All right, so you want somebody to try to scam you for your Gmail account?
You can try. I mean, if
You want somebody to...
I feel if you're smart enough to scam me out of it, you can have it.
You want somebody to buy some action figures from you and then do a chargeback?
I don't see how that's going to be possible, but sure.
Chargeback scam you?
I'll punch a motherfucker in the face. That happened to me once already with a jersey I sold.
Oh, see? Doesn't feel good when people try to fuck you over when you're doing something to make money.
I won ultimately.
Well, I don't think they win. They get more exposure, sure, but they're not getting money. Support the creators you like. That's all I'm saying.
If I can afford it, gladly. If I can't, if I like it, I'll share it. What's wrong with that? It's getting the word out there. What's the hand motion mean?
Mellow out.
Are you the great cornholio over here? What's going on?
Tranquilo.
Tranquilo?
Payaso.
Pardon Bennett. What? Oh, you want me to... Because you're trying to go to sleep or
Basura.
something? Excuse you? Listen, no one's asking you to bust out the fucking Bosnian over here.
That's not Bosnian.
What was that?
Spanish.
Say it again?
Basura.
Oh, yeah, fuck you.
This has been a TRGPM production.